Well, Randy Tayo's taking a look at his too, because this is going to be the other one I fix. Got some ruts I got to fix. Lots and lots and lots of little branchies. I already told him I'd be either Monday or Tuesday I'd be over. Got all this crap in here. Definitely got all this crap right here. All this crap in here, up along there. Lots more ash tree branches. They already had one freaking, they cut that one big old limb that snapped off of there. Up and off, neighbors. But yeah, we gotta pick up all these sticks. Grab that big chunk of crap. Hey, don't look too bad. Don't look too bad. Might help the neighbor out and clean up on this side, but I don't know. Not bad. I got crap there I gotta get rid of. Get rid of these couple chunks of the old maple tree we cut down. Yep. Got leaves going off, clean up there. This side don't look too bad. Nah, don't look bad at all. One front. Yeah, you gotta clean up all the leaves. Gonna be a fun time. Just as much crap as the other one.